Shitty car, but we hit the road. Doesn't matter where we go and destination unknown. I don't care where the motor stops, cause when I want it, then I want it. Yeah, I want it, oh I want it, let's go. Look around, where's the people at? I want a taste of the good life. Hit me with it, right now I'm in it. Cause when I want it, then I want it. Yeah, I want it, oh I want it, let's go. And I won't look back, yeah. I don't care about the bad shit back home. It's Cincinnati, baby, I just wanna let it go. Nothing matters when we're way out here. Yeah. Baby, I don't have to know your real name. I'm just addicted to the way you take the pain away. Nothing matters when we're way out here. Yeah. Cincinnati, baby, Cincinnati, baby. Say, yeah, Cincinnati, baby, Cincinnati, baby. It's 2 a.m. when we close the bar.
Somebody said I'm gonna get my dad out with you guys.
I'm like, where were you? I went to very nice. I was gonna me something fun inside. You have fucking how to bike.
It's what I'm gonna do, cause right now I'm in it. I feel good.
Whoa, now I get hurt, then you. For my hoe, then you. I ain't got no points to prove. I got a lot of satisfied, but we'll never approve you.
What's up, guys? Your boy Ty back with another video. It is hot as hell, as you can tell from my skin. It looks so oily and wet. God damn. And it's not even that hot out here. I guess it's just the humidity. But anyways, I'm going to a car event today. So my very first car event. Never really been. I drove past them because that's really a big thing in Florida, like car meetups and stuff like that. I don't have a car. I'm not a car enthusiast, more of a truck guy. That's why I'm here at Baywatch Car Wash today to spray this thing off, get it glossy again, because it was raining earlier and the truck sat there. I was watching it beat off. I was at work. I wasn't gonna move it. I waited till it started raining before I left. So it stopped where I was at, the location I was at. And so I get down the street halfway. It's storming. Per usual in Florida, just random storms out of nowhere. So just the water splashing all over the windows. I'm already knowing that it's dirty. You can tell. Just look at it. You can't really tell. You can't see it, but I can see it. But I might just spray it off real quick. I'm not about to go in full details because I might do that another day. I might end up doing that tomorrow actually, since I have to tomorrow off. But it's hot as fuck. I'm about to get to work so we can get this car show. Hell, we had to car me with my dog Gabe. You know, this man been ghosting me for the longest.
Ah, Ty, you tripping, hey.
But we had this car me. I brought Rambo out here. My dog shiny a little bit. You know, I kind of half the wash, but you know, we getting there. My dog Rambo. So what is this event called?
It's called Burgers and Cars.
Burgers and Cars. That's where we're at.
A13 Meat Hub.
Oh, this is the guy.
That's us. That's Austin right there.
A13 Hub.
Hey, he got a YouTube.
This is my first time here.
Oh shit.
Yeah. I got everybody here. Who is this?
I like the GTR next to it. Hey, you seen that? Oh.
Jose?
You like that? You like that? Hey, that's what's up.
Yes, I get that. You got the executives in here, man. You got the McLaren. You got the Porsche GT3. Excuse me. You got the M5. Yes. What's this competition?
There we go.
Came with my guy Brent.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, tight. We got next coming up. Y'all know what's good. Let's go. Woo!
Yes, sir. My boy Gio. Man, how you feel about this, man? How you feel about this?
Nice. Fun.
That's fun. How many have you been to so far?
My second one?
This is my first one. You know, I thought those cars were like own cars. They're rented. I could have rented that. Damn. I'm gonna have to come out these. I'm gonna have to come back to one of these again. I done made pretty good intel so far, so that's good. There's one so far. One main one that I've seen plenty of times. That purple Lambo that you guys just saw. His name was Prince. I see him most of the time. He's a tech guy. Money man. That's what you need. Money man. But about to see some more cars, some more exclusive cars, I guess. But all right. Got the Beamer. She just hit the curb. That poor Infinity.
Hey, go.
G37. Poor Infinity. She had a sharp ass turn and just dropped immediately on the curb. Whole bumper about to fall off. He might do it too. Hold on.
Yo. Didn't even look my way.
I need a car. I might step out the truck game.
I'm looking at this a little too much.
Is that track on? Is that track on?
Yeah, that track on.
Yeah. I'm thinking about that too, or the TRX.
TRX?
Yeah, TRX called my name.
Bro, look at that. Look at it being a wide body. Yeah, that girl in that Civic look good as fuck.
What Civic? Oh.
Civic look good.
Fuck with no Civic Honda motherfucker. Fuck them Honda Civics. And fuck them Infinities. Ram gang, Chevy gang. Yo, these mosquitoes out here is just biting the fuck out of me. Bitch, she got veneers. Take turns getting in. I think I'm gonna get in next. I wanna hear this. That be loud. I'm gonna blow my ear for sure. Watch this shit.
Hey, play the same song.
Yeah. I got a bad bitch in my pants right now. She got on a coochie gal, ready to get piped out. That's not how they I get the vibe out. Going down, stretch your thighs down. The bitches don't be out. Got some traps come on, this shit up and out. My shorty singing to us, for me, I'm like, baby, wait,
Nah, it's on.
It's right now I'm borrowing a 40 amp hour Proto, but I had a 45 amp hour C-Max. That's only a 40? Yeah.
Hey, you on the YouTube,
All right.
Yeah.
Well, hey, what all are you on? 250 amp CES. It's got a 15.5 volt regulator. That's okay. It's charging a little higher.
my twins, let them in. This is let it out. Look at my bitch, she a 10 with a sloppy mouth. Got it coming in and out. Ain't gon' never see a drop. Yeah.
What they got going on over here, dog? Less than Fast and the Furious type shit. Let's see. Damn. GT now. Cobra kicked that man last round.
Start shooting like different colors,
like confetti,
or like fucking red, white, and blue flames.
Warming up.
fuck is the bike's gonna get it shut down?
What do you mean, bro? Y'all are out there in the road. Y'all are out there in the road.
You road, fuck, nigga. You don't own the road. We don't gotta fucking go nowhere.
I'm not saying get the good. Get that. You're lying. Alright. That's fine, lots. And you'll be trespassed. I'm trying to be nice about it. I'm trying to be reasonable.
Talking about I'm trying to be reasonable. How the fuck we get this shit like down, my boy? We ain't shit down. Yeah, I can tell him not to be on the road. We shutting this shit down, my nigga. Nice guy now.
They're not being respectful. He was not. I wanted them here. That's the thing. I don't know what to say, but I want them here. I like them here. I enjoy them here.
You saying we're shutting this shit down? What's going on, Tyler?
You gotta give us my thing. Oh, he's going to car. He's going to car.
I'm the baddest alive. He know the prettiest bitch didn't come until I arrive. I don't let bitches get to me. I fuck they man if they try. I got
You guys go to Walmart parking lot, you meet up like this, you still can't do that. Because that's at a Walmart. That's a corporation, that's for a property that I...
They about to start shutting it down, about to start writing people tickets because we're not supposed to be here. The guy said he has a permit, but he can't show the permit. So right now we're just sitting like sitting ducks in the parking lot. Well, this ain't gonna write everybody tickets. I can't get no ticket right now. And he damn sure can't look at my license plate. That bitch is expired like motherfucker. I think I'm about to go out of here in a few.
We're doing a shop party. Sorry, bro. I said I got my permits. He said, well, it's good for Friday. I'm like, I don't give a fuck what day it is. I said, this is my business. I said, I'm good for Thursday. That's my permit. I made it. So your shit about to expire? No, my shit's not about to expire. But there will be no meet next week. Back with another video.
What's up, gang? It's another morning, another day, and I'm kind of late. It's 10:15 on the dot. So I went to the car meet last night, as you guys seen. I think I got some dope ass footage. I met some dope ass people as well as some nice cars, really nice cars. You know, I've always seen these cars with like the loud exhaust pipes and like you know, the funny looking fenders and different colored patches and stickers. I always thought it was weird, but now actually going to and seeing that it's a culture and that like they're part of groups with those stickers, it's kind of like making sense. Because, you know, I see a lot of trucks with stickers on them, and the trucks with the stickers just don't make no sense at all. But with the stickers for the cars, they actually do make sense. So that was a pretty cool experience. So I will be going to the next one. And apparently there's a truck meet or truck show / middle of that. I guess however you want to divide that, truck meet, truck show together. Apparently it's tomorrow. I saw the flyer, but I just glanced at it because I'm told I was following him. Apparently it's Gabe's going, so I'm gonna follow him. So if I see the address like it says 2 hours away, I'm gonna type it in my GPS. I'm gonna smoothly hit a U-turn. Yeah, U-turn. Cause I'm not going that far for a truck meet, unless it's like in another state, which that's what I want to do too. But I want to get my truck pulled. I really don't want to drive it that far like that. No. So when I get this new setup, It's gonna be amazing. There's a lot of panty dropping, neck breaking, and eyeball stretching, because you're gonna be like, what the fuck? But anywho's, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. To all my car enthusiasts, trucks enthusiasts out there, let's get this video out and about. Yes. But I'm about to go grocery shopping. I'm in a mood for some oxtails today, so that's gonna take me by at least 4 to 5 hours to cook, if you do it right. If you do it right. But I'm about to go. Thanks for you know, coming to this car show. Thanks for being with me. I love you guys. Thank you, and I'm out.
Now I get hurt, then you. For my hoe, then you. I ain't got no points to prove. I got